Of recent, I've been seeing a lot of videos flying around as regarding to B network withdrawal. And what I saw in most of those videos is them showing you how to import the B network contact address to your wallet, and the B token is going to reflect. So I decided to do my own personal research, and after doing a lot of research and also hearing from the B network team themselves, I've now decided to make this video where I give you the full details as to how it works and what it's all about. But before we proceed, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video just like this one. And let's head into the tutorial. So yes, I've seen a lot of videos online as regarding to withdrawing your B network. And I'm going to show you the contract address. From what I found, the contract addresses are two. So these two contract addresses, the B network core team, they had something to say about it. So I'm also going to be showing you what they said as regarding to this contract address. Now, once you open up your B wallet, and just in case, for those of you that have not gotten KYC, and you've been asking me a lot of questions like, how do you get KYC? I have explained it in a lot of my videos as to how to get KYC. It's not a difficult thing at all, including how to complete your KYC. If you haven't seen that video, just check the top of your screen. I've pinned the video there. So tap on this video at the top of your screen that you're seeing here. It will take you to that video where you can now get the full details as regarding to, even for those of you that have not gotten KYC on Ruby Network. I also explained what and what you need to do in that video. So go and look it up. Now, for those of you that probably might want to sell your Pi network, or you want to sell your Sidra, or even if you want to buy Pi or buy Sidra, you can send me a DM. All you have to do is to check the description box of this video. The link to my Telegram channel is there. Once you enter that channel, you see my WhatsApp contact. Pi is already trading on exchanges, so in case you can also buy on exchanges. If you don't want to come to me, it's okay. You can buy on exchanges, but Sidra is not currently trading on exchanges, so you either get a trusted vendor or you come to me to buy or to sell your coins. So that is basically that about that. Now, once you come over to this your B network here, you come over to this wallet section. Look at this wallet. And just in case, if you haven't created your wallet, make sure you go and create your wallet right now. So you can see this is B network here. Your own wallet is not going to be displaying this. If you are just opening your wallet for the first time, it will not be displaying this. My own is displaying this because I have already imported the token already. So you can see this is B network on Polygon and this is B network on Ethereum. So there are two contract addresses. And what I did was on this page here, I simply tapped on this. Look at this little icon here. I simply tapped on it. And let me even remove the token so that I can re-import and show you. As I have removed it now, you can see it will no longer be displaying on the screen here. So once you tap on this place, what you want to do now is to tap on this import token and then switch the network. The one I want to import first is Polygon. So you can see, okay, there is no need to search for it. This is Polygon here. So I select Polygon and then I head over. These are the contract addresses. The first one is on Polygon and the second one is on Ethereum. So I'm going to open it. Make sure to watch to the end of this video because that is how I'm passing the important information as regarding to what the B network team said before you go and do this importation. And I also saw a lot of news flying up and down that B is now trading, people are now buying and selling B coins and all of those. So we'll address that information. Now, if you want to know how to import, this is it. It's simple. So once they copy the contract address, and the contract address that is popular most is this Polygon one. The Ethereum is not really common on the internet like that. So the Polygon is what you are going to be seeing most likely if you're searching for it. I just got that Ethereum by chance. So once you've copied the contract address, you just simply go into this place and you paste in the contract address. So once you paste it in and it loads up, you can see B has appeared, token decimal has appeared, and then I confirm. Now I will not be importing the second one. So here is the thing. This crypto space is very vast. A lot of things, a lot of possibilities. People are just free to do and undo whatever they want to do. If I decide today, I could also create a contract address and call it B, and then I start distributing it for people to import, and you are going to see it. You're going to see this B, just as what you're seeing on my screen here. That does not mean that it is from the core team. A lot of people have the will to do and undo. So what you need to do is always get your informations from the original source. When they say original source, in the case of this B network, they have a community on X. I don't know, they should also have a community on Discord, Telegram, and other channels, but I'm only following them on X, so I only know of X. So definitely, if they release an information like this, you're going to see it on their X. So what I did was, after getting this contract address, that is of course after watching those videos, I had to Yeah, after doing my research, I also had to go and check them on their X to see if they made any information on it. And I saw that they made no post on it at all. Not until I now came across a tweet from them. Look at it here. So this is a screenshot of the tweet I saw from them. You can see this is their official channel. Look at them verified. So see what this person said. This person said ICBCA, that's contract address, going around under Polygon. Is it real? Look how they say fake. Ignore it. So you can see they have not released a contract address that is for their token at all. They have not released any contract address. So what we basically have to keep doing now is to keep mining, complete your KYC, and wait on information from them. And I think this B self, they are almost, we've been mining for about 5 years, and up till now they've not really done anything. I've not really seen any real utility from them or whatever they are doing. We're just mining and mining. But then we keep mining. It's just for you to tap a button daily and forget about it. So we keep on doing that and we leave it like that. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about ATOC. A lot of people have asked me if I buy or sell ATOC or how to do the withdrawal and the likes. So in my next video, I'm going to be addressing how to, go about ATOCs and the like. So make sure that I subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video like this. Follow me on X, search for Tony Tech on X, this profile there. Follow me there because that is where I do drop most of my updates, even before I make videos on them.